Hands out your pockets. Let's go.
Oh.
Okay, don't stress out. Relax. Relax. It will happen.
Easy.
Hold on. Be careful, man.
I got you.
I got it.
Okay.
Don't hurt yourself.
You're doing great.
Give me kind of.
Yep. Here's the canopy. Wipe her all down.
Okay, what would you like to eat?
Now be
An oatmeal
easier
bar
on the
or
head
a
this
power
time.
Let me get it. I'm on the side. I
Not
can get it.
yeah, the oatmeal, I guess.
Yeah.
Oatmeal? In the
Okay.
package or out?
In the package. But
Okay, there you go.
Okay, I haven't unwrapped the hoses yet.
Drink Coca-Cola Black.
Spray some more on there before you...
Okay.
Okay. Put the water on
Red
first.
Bull,
Yeah.
Coca-Cola Black.
Can
or
you open this
Starbucks.
black?
Put the hose
Black?
back.
Can you open
I
it,
think.
please? It is at the back.
Are you gonna eat first? You got it?
And
Pull the hose up, please.
yeah. Let's do that. Oh, where's the twist ties off this?
I have.
Where's the tie wraps that were on there?
They're gone. I
What?
took them off.
What for?
It's all right. We got it.
Okay, he's got it.
Take it easy.
Okay, do you want this completely off or just
Doing great.
unwrapped? Is that good? Like that?
I can't really drink this. It's hard. I can. Here, tip it over here for me. Yeah, that's it. Come on.
That was a suckling look right there, wasn't
A
it?
bendy straw would be really good now. Why don't we have any bendy straws?
These are the things we learned.
I don't think he needs it.
I didn't know.
Breathe.
Is it tight?
Yes. Okay, take it. Thanks.
enough on there now, though. Smear it around, but I know if
Okay, your bite valves.
Missed the groove on the other one.
It's on there now.
I got it.
Okay.
I got it.
Okay.
enough on there now.
So, this bite valve
You
takes.
can cut those things off next time, actually, you guys.
Okay.
Those little things.
Here's your power bar.
Okay,
anything
where's
else?
the canopy? How are we doing?
Want a bit of coffee?
Did somebody wipe down and recoat the canopy?
Yeah.
It's all
Did you want
Thank you.
anything
You
else?
ready?
No, I'm
Maintain that
Okay.
same level,
coffee?
Greg.
What you're
What's that,
doing,
sir?
keep
Maintain
it
what you were
going,
doing
keep it
before.
going.
Yeah,
Just keep
Keep
that
going.
going.
Awesome.
that's the goal.
Okay, we got the little thingy.
We don't. Just use your fingers.
I'm sure it was under.
Wait,
Wait
can't
up.
Did he have any? Did he have this?
You got the
Okay,
stick?
good. We saw.
We don't. It's good. Ready to go whenever you are, Greg.
Okay, no one touch.
Clear away.
Okay. All right.
Good to go.
Good,
Go
excellent.
team!
Greg. Come on.
Change gears.
It's okay. No
You're
issues.
good.
Way to go, Greg!
Away we go.
You're doing wicked, man.
Doing great.
Your honor.
Go, Greg!
I wouldn't run there, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Name switch, you good? That's always a nice sound, isn't it? Coming off the gear.
And all of a sudden, less rolling resistance, and I'm free.
Fly, be free.
Alright,
Let's see.
Why? What's it gonna do? I'm watching it. Why? What's it gonna do?
427 on that last one.
Oh, that's great.
How much?
Set 427 when he
Good.
crossed the shed.
Good. We set up for 5 minutes of break.
That was 4.
Yeah.
Well, 427 includes a lap, though, right?
Yes, it does. Absolutely. Go, Greg.
So that's